Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Blockman Go account. If you have been wondering about how to make an account, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After just opening the app, it will automatically provide you with the username like this. And from here you can also change the gender of yourself. You can also create your own account name. After editing, simply tap on to confirm to create. Now you have successfully created a Blockman Go account on the app. Now play the games that you want to play and have a lot of fun. And that's it. This is how you're gonna create Blockman Go account on your phone. It is a very simple and easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.